get fun cards? What'd you get, Maya? You got cards from Great Grandma Hess and Mama and Papa? Can you take your binky out and say thank you? Take your binky out. Say thanks. I like my cards.
What is it, Mom?
What is it? Can you open it? We love the cards. Thank you. What'd you get? Can you read it to me, please? Whoa.
Mommy, Becky. Trick or treat. Oh,
More money! Thank you for the money. Look at the pile. Thank you. Okay.
Here.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Moon Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Grandma Hess.
Thank you, Grandma Hess.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
Miss you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Can you smile at the camera?
Cheese.
Look at me.
Oh, there's presents. There's presents.
These?
These cheap. Hello, Mommy.
What are you going to spend your money on?
What's in there?
Open it. That's Maya's.
What's in there? No, it's in there.
You got nice cards and you got nice money.
It's mine.
Say thanks, Maya.
Thanks, Maya.
No, Maya's going to say thanks.
Thanks, Maya. What truck, Maya? A parking lollipop, Maya. You like this? Say happy birthday to Grandma Hess, Maya.
No, happy Halloween.
Say happy Halloween, Maya. Say happy Halloween, Maya. Say happy Halloween, Maya.
Maya, can you say happy Halloween?
How about you? How about I? What could we do, Mommy?
Okay.